There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so
Hello guys, welcome back here to another video. If you're new here, my name is Anastasia Kiambuthi. If you're not new here, welcome back. So guys, I'm back with another interesting video for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. As you can see, we had gone for tuko tumeenda kununua gas cooker for my mom. Anyway, you will see all that. We'll be baking, as you will see in the clips ahead. We'll be baking a strawberry cake, and I hope you'll enjoy. As I've said, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and yeah. So here we'll be baking. So we'll be using 1.75 cups of flour, half cup of sugar, half cup of oil. You can use oil or margarine, whatever you prefer. 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of whatever essence you have. We use strawberry essence. If you have vanilla essence, that's okay. And a half cup of milk and 2 eggs, and that's it, I think. But anyway, I will put the ingredients needed for the cake in the description box if you're interested, and yeah, I hope you'll enjoy.
never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna sing my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do, that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? Preview. 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 Preview.